everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we gonna make a review for my electric bike, right? So first is I was decided to make a review of this one 1 month after the unboxing, but unfortunately I had to make it earlier. It's because we don't know the I don't know the weather here. So since it's still not has a snow on it. So yes, I am planning to make a review early, right? So before, because 1 month after I decided, but due to the weather here, so I don't know if it's gonna be having a winter, start of the snow on the next month, February, right? So yes, today is I'm gonna make a review for this one, and also I'm gonna make a ride test of this one. So okay, right, okay, let's go, gonna have to check this out. Okay, so right over here is my electric folding bike. So the brand for this one is a Terrosor T1. I bought this on Walmart. Okay, so I bought this Walmart for just $100, right? So since I really wanted an e-bike for my work, so okay, just head over to this right over here at the front. So we've got right over here, this is the grip, so this is the handle grip, so this is the throttle, right? So this is the throttle. So we've got right here is also for the key to start, and then we've got right over here is for the phone. Yeah, and also this one right here is already been installed right here, and this one right here is also got this for this bike, for this electric bike. So all in one package. And we've got right over here is also the like this one. So right over here I also bought this one, so gonna have to wait for the unboxing for this one. It's because I also have an unboxing, and I'm gonna make also a separate review for this one also, right? So we've got the brake right over here, which is just a normal brake, right? We got a normal brake right over here, and also the wires right over it. The wires here is so good, so manageable wire right over here. And also I bought some bottle cage right over here, and so we've got a shock right there. So the pedals right here is having that one, the left, and also the other one's right. So there's a mark, there's a mark on it. So that's why I'm having some trouble putting the pedal on. So we've got the disc brake right over here. Okay, we've got the disc brake also right over here with the X speed, I think, and we've got some headlights right over here. So gonna have to check that out, okay, early today. So right over here is the one that over here is the dash cam. Right over here is the the cable right over here, and it's just also that is the camera, right? And we've got the battery right over here. Okay, we've got the battery. Yeah, we've got it over here. So if I want to take it off, I just have to put the key on here, and this is the charging port, right? So this is the charging port right over there. Yeah, so the model for this one is the this is the Li-ion battery. So that's the model, and also sa 48 V10, so and 2 watts hour, I think, for amp-hour AH. Yeah, I forgot what is that AH, right, for the electricity. So yeah, and manufacturer for this one is from China, yet Shenzhen. Okay, Long Tiger, Shenzhen, Long Tiger, Shenzhen. So ZH is J for them, right? Okay, so we've got right here is also comfortable saddle right over here, and it's also we've got some another saddle right over here if you want some another a child in here. Yeah, and we've got also a step nut right over here. We got a step in for the the one's gonna be like that one. So yeah, and also we've got a taillight right over here. There's a 2 taillight, right? There's a 2 taillight over here. Yeah, there's a 2 taillight. So this one is the charger for the battery. So we've got right over here this one, right, that. So yeah, and it's also we've got a single speed pedal, right? We've got a single speed pedal right over there, and which is also a really good one. So you're gonna have to step that one right over there. Yeah, not bad for that one. Yeah, not bad for that one. So we've got right over here is the full setup for the bike. So okay, gonna have to prepare that to test this. Gonna have to prepare to test this bike. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to go outside and then let's go. Gonna have to check it out. All right. So, but first, I'm gonna have to turn it on. Okay. So that you will see. Okay, and then we're gonna have to try this one also, right? Okay, just for a glimpse, right? So because I have to make a separate video for the dash cam. Okay. So I'm gonna have to put another here. So let's go. Gonna have to, yeah, it's still full battery. So only one, just, you know, right? Only one. So this for the bike is 15 mph, 15 miles per hour, which is really a good for commuting and for, you know, right? So let's go. Gonna have to. So I don't want to press the bike horn over here. Yeah, this is the bike horn, right? This is the bike horn, and this is the light. So gonna have to turn out the light. So this one right here is the light, as you can see that. We've got the light over there, and it's also the light. We got a light also at the back right over here, like at that. So yeah, I forgot to take off this reflector. Okay, yeah, there you go. Yeah, and there's the light right over here. So there's no signal light, right? So I have a signal light for my other bike, so gonna have to put that on. But you know, there's no space right over there because the mount for this camera right over here is too big, right? Look at that. So there's no space on it, right? So yes, and then we've got this one right here is also got some mode for the light. So we've got the, look at that. So we've got the, yeah, then yeah, for the 3. So I don't know what is that one. So 1, 2, 3, but you know, this one right over here, right? Only that one. Yeah, will you look at that? So nice. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to check it out outside. So let's go. I'm gonna have to make a ride test for this one. So okay, I forgot. So this one right here is the, you know, the light. Okay, we'll look at that. So you can see it is, so that is the bed right over there. Yeah, and then you can see my hands right over here. Look at that. So it is so clear, right? It is so clear. So let's go. Gonna have to check it out. So I'm gonna have to turn that off first, okay? And go. I'm gonna have to put some clothes on because it's so cold outside, okay? So alright, here it goes, guys. So let's go. Gonna have to try it out, and then. Yeah, let's get over here into this. Yeah. So we got over here is already the e-bike. We got the road over here, and yeah, the wind is so strong, right? So, and I'm on my 13 point. I got my 13 point. And also the, yeah, let's go. Gonna have to try it out. So we've got my distance like over here is already been for my Strava, so right. So I don't have I forgot to record this one, right, so that you will see how will it work, right? So I'm gonna have to go right over here into this, yeah, oops, yeah, and then yeah, if the weather is good today, but you know, it's not winter. Airport Parkway. So the speed is slowing is because because of this wind that I am having right now. So it's strong wind, right? So yeah, and then here it goes. Let's go back to the speed of the. It's having good, right? So I got already my Strava working right over here. So let's go get over to the Airport Parkway. So since there's and then we're gonna go back to U-turn, right? So just to test this out, right? So and after it, I'm gonna have to compare it to the throttle. Okay, so I'm gonna compare it to the pedal assist, right? Yeah, the wind is too strong, right? So you see that you can hear the wind you can hear the wind in my bike, right? So in my action camera, so that is why it is not so bright. So whoops. Okay, we got. I already have one battery left. Yeah, I already have one battery left. Yeah, and then yeah. Okay, so that's okay. So I'm gonna have to try the pedal on, right? So since yeah, I'm gonna have to try the pedal. So yeah, it's still good and it's also really nice and perfect, right? So yes, since I forgot to charge this one also, the battery is 1%, 1 bar only. So gonna have to try this on. So when I'm using the pedal, my speed is low, right? So gonna have to go right over there. So there's a car turning right. So let's go get over there to go back to the house, right? Yeah. So I'm on the pedal right now, right? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, and like that. Yeah, it is really slow. So I'm gonna have to make a right turn. So far the pedal is so smooth if the road is plain, right? Okay. The pedal is so smooth when it's to plain road, but when it comes to some kind of uphill, it really kind of is struggling and low. It's because of the, you know, like that one. Yeah, so just gonna have to make a turn right over here. So since there's a road over here to go back to the house, right? So after that, I'm gonna make my final thoughts on the park, right, where I am starting up, right? So yeah, so far and also the brake is really good, right? So smooth, the pedal is so smooth. So when it comes to hooks, yeah, when it comes to throttle, the speed is fast, right? But for this one, the pedal speed is on the average, right? Yeah. Yeah. The speed is on the average. I forgot to screen record the Strava, right? So I'm gonna have to try to on. Okay, we've got a 2 battery. Okay, if we're gonna get right, so just back on 1 bar, but I can make it to the house. Alright, so the speed is spiking up. So I've got a 12.3, 11 again. So yeah, so yeah, we're over here. The house. We are already now at the house. So here we are. Now back at the house, so that I can make a final thoughts of this e-bike, right? Okay. Right, here we are. Alright, here it goes. We're done. So well, that was the ride test of this one on the, so you can check also the you can also check the Strava, the link of my ride today. So I'm gonna have to share that one also, and it goes right over here is because that one right so far. So I got my third biggest climb in a lifetime, right? So I've got and also my third longest ride in a lifetime. All right, yeah, that was guy. Okay, we've got the distance of 1.61 kilometer. Okay, 1.61 kilometer, and also I've got the moving time of 10 minutes and 19 seconds. I got the max elevation of 1,867 meters or miles. Okay, and we've got the elevation gain of 8 m. miles or meter, right? So I got the average speed of 9.4 kilometer per hour, and also I've got the maximum speed of 69.9 kilometer per hour. Yeah, that was awesome, a really good one, right? So that is a good you know, that was a good part of the exercise also, right? So yeah, I got the full throttle, and also I've got the full pedal assist, right? So perfect, and also I really like it. So my my final thoughts about it, this e-bike is good. So it runs on 15 mph, right? So right over here is kilometer per hour. We got the 16.9 kilometer per hour, right? So mph, miles per hour, are really nice, what is this called, a really nice folding bike right over here, right? And it's also really perfect if you really want to have this. You can have this. There are bunch of e-bikes. There are also a bunch of e-bikes, right, available anywhere, right? So you can buy also in Temu, you can buy also in AliExpress, you can buy in Walmart. Yeah, I bought this on Walmart via online, so in their application, right? All right, so yeah, this is a good one and I really like it a lot. So this is a perfect one. So I just record this one right over here, which is also done recording, right? So I'm gonna have to put that one also to when it comes when I am editing the video, right? So all right, so yeah, my final thoughts for this one is, oh yeah, my final thoughts is a really good one. So yeah, my hair, okay, okay. So that don't mind that. Okay, so yeah, this one is a good. This one is a beast. Perfect. I really like it a lot. So yeah, perfect for work, right? So perfect work and also a really nice e-bike if you really wanted to have this kind of e-bike. So it's a 14 inches e-bike, right? It's a 14 inches or 15, right? I think so. Yeah, 14, but I think we got the shock right over here. We got a dual shock, right? Shock in the fork and also shock in the, right? So I think that's it for this video, right? And also I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy and see you again on my next video, everyone.